What is an implant-retained bridge, or all-on-6? Those who have lost all of their teeth or are soon to have their last remaining teeth removed have several options for tooth replacement. One of the most advanced and reliable techniques is to permanently attach a fixed bridge to dental implants that are anchored into the jawbone. Implant-supported teeth look and function just like real teeth and are maintained with the same oral hygiene practices such as brushing and flossing. Implant-supported teeth allow the normal function of nerves, muscles, and jaw joints by permanently replacing missing roots and gloss gum tissues. Implant-supported teeth restore the support of the facial structures such as cheeks and lips, thereby creating a more youthful appearance as well as restoring the ability to function normally. This includes chewing tough foods, eating fresh fruits and vegetables, laughing, kissing, speaking with confidence, and smiling with joy. It's not an overstatement to say that permanent tooth replacement with implants has revolutionized dentistry. Implants have transformed the lives of people who don't have teeth by giving them a solution that's a lot more comfortable, secure, and reliable than traditional removable dentures. They also prevent the further loss of jawbone density and volume that's inevitable when natural teeth are lost. Dental implants stabilize and stimulate the bone around them, maintaining the bone's dimension and strength. This is something removable dentures cannot do. In fact, wearing removable dentures actually accelerates bone loss. Dental implants are made out of titanium, which has a unique ability to fuse to bone. That's what makes them so sturdy and reliable. After implants are inserted into the jawbone during a well-tolerated surgical procedure, fixed bridges can oftentimes be attached immediately that will look and function like real teeth. Visit our video library to learn more about implant-retained bridges and see hundreds of examples of smile makeovers completed by Dr. Michelson. We look forward to hearing from you soon.